Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EROS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I've done this analysis several times before, so that is where the green line up there is coming from. But after today's price movement, I'm going to just go ahead and get rid of that line. Sure, it pertains. It's just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First key level to watch going forward, and this is by no means some sort of great discovery on my part or anything like that. I assure you anybody that uses charts, understands charts, has taken notice of this level, and that is right here at $2.25. And I bring that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, but it can produce some very dynamic price movements. And then, like I said, that's what we have here at 225. You look back here at 225, did a fantastic job of holding that support. And then you fast forward to today and this afternoon, and once again, that level has done a great job of holding that support. Is it going to continue to hold that support? We'll just have to wait and see. But the one interesting point from the trading standpoint is the last time the price was down there, made a very impressive move back to the upside. Don't get me wrong, though, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the last time the price made a great bounce off 225, does that mean that it's guaranteed to once again make a great bounce off there? Now, would that be shocking to see? Absolutely not. Is it at least a logical thing to talk about? Yeah, sure. Now, let's say that the price had never broken or bounced off of 225, and then I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like it could bounce off 225. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? It's never bounced off that level before. What would make you say that? But in this situation, it actually has. Now, again, does that mean it's guaranteed to bounce? No. Does that mean it's a rational thought to have? Absolutely. So definitely keep a close eye on 225 going forward. In the event 225 does not hold up, then the next overall level of support down there right around the $2.15 mark. So 225, 215, two key areas of support. As far as if there's any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, that's where you'll want to keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50 period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. Yes, right now it's at 241, but that line is going to move as Friday and next week play out in the downwards direction. So that value is also going to change. So you'll just have to stay a little bit more proactive as a trader to keep an eye on that. But overall, an interesting setup going into Friday. Real quick before you go, I'm not going to give you some fancy sales pitch. All I'll say is that if you found this video beneficial, then I'm very confident you would find this live class here very helpful that I'm offering. So if you go to claytrader.com/live or just click on the link in the description, then you can get more details on the class. But it is totally live. I do a live question and answers at the end. So if you're interested, let me know if you have any questions, but I hope to see you there.